Let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, red color, orange color, light green color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, yellow color, red color, dark green color. Kids, today we learn alphabet A, B, C to Z. Let's start. Red color. A for ant. B for butterfly. C for camel. D for doctor. D for doctor. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. Green color. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. Orange color. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for unicorn. Yellow color. V for volcano. W for waterfall. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's repeat.